Hello kids! Today, we're going to solve a simple word problem using Microsoft Excel. We'll also use some illustration to help you visualize the problem easily. Get ready to have fun and learn some math concept. Let me read the problem first. The development department employees made a request for the purchase of computers and components for them. Six laptops for $55,480 each, three monitors for $21,230 each, 11 computer mice for $411 each, and five keyboards for $290 each. Let us help the accountant to calculate how much to allocate from the company's budget. Let us start. Open Excel. Open Microsoft Excel on your computer. Create headers. In cell A1, type item. In cell B1, type quantity. And in cell C1, type unit price. Then, in cell D1, type the word total. Enter data in column A. List the items, including laptops, monitors, computer mice, and keyboards. In column B, enter the quantities. 6 for laptops, 3 for monitors, 11 for the computer mice, and 5 for the keyboards. In column C, enter the unit prices as provided in the problem. $55,480 for laptops, $21,230 for monitors, $411 for the computer mice, and $290 for keyboards. To calculate the totals, in cell D2, enter the formulas equal B2 times C2. To calculate the total cost of laptops. Then enter. Then drag this formula down for the other items in column D. To calculate the grand total, in a cell below, such as D6, enter the formula equal sum, open and close parentheses, D2 colon D5 to calculate the grand total. This will sum up the totals for all items. For the format the cells as currency, if not already formatted, to display the amounts in dollars. I hope you follow all the instructions.